kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do a math concept in 5 minutes or less. Today, boys and girls, we will talk about the math concept of proportion. That sounds like a pretty big word, doesn't it? It is, sort of. Anyway, until we get to talk about it a little bit. But say it with me, boys and girls. Proportion. Now you say it. Ooh, I think you got it. I think you got it. Well, let me tell you, proportion is where we take two different objects and we sort of compare them by their size, and we just compare from one size to the other. And it's also how two different things fit together or how they match. Very similar to some of the things I have here today. Like on this picture, I have a picture of a building right there. And can you see the doors on that building, boys and girls? Yeah. Now, I also have a picture of a person. And this is the best I can do. This is as good as it gets with the drawing, okay, boys and girls? So I have a picture here of a person. Now, I want this person to go inside of that building. Do you think it could happen? No, I don't think that person can fit inside that building. Why? Did you say because the doors were way too small they can't fit in the doors? You are so very right. Now, look here. Because the proportion there is not correct, right? The person is too big to go into the small doors on that building. So let's try this. Now I have a person that's not so big, and the doors are still not so big. So can that person fit into those doors much better? Yes, they can, because the proportion of the doors to the person are about the same. So when I compare those doors and that person, they can fit inside of the doors because the proportions are very close to being the same. Now, I have some other things here. Now, I have some straws here. One is very, very big and one is very, very small. So the proportions are a little bit different, right? But I also have two cups here. One is very, very big and one is very, very small. So the proportions are different. So let's see, will the very small straw fit better in the big cup or the small cup? I don't know, let's try. Wait a minute, I don't think I can drink anything out of that straw because it's way down. So if I put some juice or something in here, I can't drink it because it's way too small. Let me try the big straw. That's much better. Now, it's better for me to get the juice out of the cup, isn't it? And if I put the big straw, oh no, the proportions are way out of whack, aren't they? So it doesn't fit, it makes my drink fall over, wouldn't it? But if I put the small straw inside of that, is that a better proportion? Does that fit better? They match better. That's what proportion is all about. What about scissors? Scissors like, I'm a grown-up. So do you think that my fingers will fit better in these scissors or these scissors? Let's try it and see. They fit, but that's so uncomfortable. Let's try these. That's a much better fit for a grown-up. These are probably better for little bitty fingers, not big fingers like mine, because the proportion is better for little bitty fingers. I have some chairs here. Have you ever heard the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears? Well, there are different size chairs, different size food, bowls of food. There's different size beds. So this is similar to that. These are different size chairs. And I have my wonderful friend, Abby Kadabi. There's Abby. Now, I have these two chairs and I have these two Abbies that are different sizes, just like my chairs are different sizes. So I have to find the one that fits the best by proportion. You hear Abby Kadabi talking to you? So which chair do you think okay, let's see. If I put the big one in that chair, well, she fits, but she's a little uncomfortable. Is that chair better? No, it's too hard for that Abby Cadabby. Let's turn them around. And they both say, oh my goodness, this fits so much better because the proportions are better. And did you say that fit just right, Abby? She did. Did you say it fit just right for you? She did. So we found the best proportions for them. Oh my goodness, look what happened. Somebody sent me an apron. Because teacher always wears an apron, right? Let's see. Do you think that this is going to fit better than the apron that I already have? Let's try it. It's choking me. Oh, it won't go around me. Oh, no. This is not the best proportion, is it, for teacher's apron? It's too small. Now, I want you to do something. I want you to go around your house and get a parent, too. And I want you to go around and try on, let's see, what about if your parent tried on your shirt and you tried on your parent's shirt and see if those proportions fit better? Yeah, just go around the house. Find chairs. Do you have a baby doll that has a chair or a bed or pretend bed or something like that? Well, go around the house and see if you can fit into a baby doll chair. Well, maybe not, because I don't want you to hurt yourself and fall out either, okay? So I want you to just go around your house and do those. Find those different proportions of things that may be the same. And what I want you to do, I would love for you to send me pictures of you doing the activity with your parents. I want to see pictures of your parent trying to wear your shirt, okay? Take pictures and send those to WKNO teacher@gmail.com. That would be so wonderful. And if you want to learn more about proportions or any of the fun things that we talked about here, even if you want to learn about Goldilocks and the Three Bears, you can do that at our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org. And there's just so many activities that you can do there, okay? So thank you, boys and girls, for being here with us today for Math Minutes and Proportions. But whoever sent me this, I'm sending it back because teacher can't wear that. It's not her proportion, which means it's not her size. So until next time, teacher says goodbye. But I also want to tell you that it's the International Paper Foundation that makes these Math Minutes happen. So thank you, International Paper Foundation, for that. And again, boys and girls, see you next time. Bye-bye.